Want to land that promotion faster than your peers? You don't need to work harder, you need to work smarter. The game has seriously changed. It's no longer just about putting in the hours, it's about leveraging every single advantage you can get your hands on. In today's video, Signofied LLC is sharing 3 powerful ways to use AI career tools that can boost your job growth and make you stand out to your boss. We're talking about practical, actionable strategies you can implement today. Think about it. Your colleagues are probably still doing things the old-fashioned way. This is your chance to get a massive edge and show your leadership that you're ready for the next step. So, if you're serious about climbing that ladder, stick around because this is the information you absolutely need. Let's dive into the first, and one of the most underrated ways AI can supercharge your promotion chances: optimizing your performance reviews. Most people either undersell themselves or just list out their tasks without really highlighting their impact. Your performance review is your prime real estate to showcase your value. If yours is vague or poorly written, it's not going to make a strong case for your promotion. This is where AI tools like ChatGPT, Grammarly, or even Notion AI come in as game changers. These aren't just fancy spell checkers, they are powerful assistants that can help you craft a narrative that screams promotion-worthy. Instead of staring at a blank page, you can feed ChatGPT a list of your achievements and prompt it to help you write a self-evaluation paragraph for a promotion. The AI will reframe your points using powerful action verbs and highlight the metrics. Managed a project becomes spearheaded a critical Q3 project, delivering it 10% under budget and 2 weeks ahead of schedule, resulting in a 15% increase in team efficiency. Grammarly goes beyond just grammar and spelling. It analyzes your tone, clarity, conciseness, and delivery. It helps you project authority and competence through your writing. Notion AI can summarize your accomplishments, draft review points, or brainstorm ways to present your contributions more effectively. AI helps you overcome common pitfalls like struggling to brag about yourself or connecting daily tasks to the bigger picture. Imagine your manager reading your review and getting a clear, concise, and data-driven account of why you're an invaluable asset. This makes their job of advocating for your promotion significantly easier. Gather all your accomplishments, big and small. Think about the challenges you overcame, the initiatives you took, and the results you delivered. Then, leverage these AI tools to refine your message. Spend a little time prompting and iterating, and you'll end up with a self-evaluation that actively builds your case for that promotion. This isn't about being dishonest or exaggerating. It's about accurately and powerfully communicating your true value. AI helps you find the best words, the most impactful phrasing, and the most convincing data points to ensure your contributions are fully appreciated. This simple shift in how you approach your review can make a monumental difference in how quickly you climb the ladder. So, the first step is to stop treating your performance review as an afterthought. Use AI to craft a compelling narrative that showcases your strategic value to the company. This is how you work smarter, not just harder, to get that promotion. You've nailed your performance review using AI. What's next? Getting promoted isn't just about doing your current job well, it's about being ready for the next job. AI can help you map out your path to that promotion. Think of it as having a super intelligent career coach available 24/7. Tools like LinkedIn's Career Explorer, Eightfold.ai, or AI features within resume builders like Rezi analyze your current skills and experience. They compare them against the requirements of higher-level positions within your company or the broader industry. LinkedIn's Career Explorer leverages vast data to show you potential career paths. It highlights the skills you have that are relevant, and pinpoints the specific skills you're missing to make that jump. Knowing your skill gaps is the first critical step. These AI tools often suggest concrete ways to close those gaps, like specific online courses, certifications, or types of projects you should seek out. Imagine going to your manager with a clear plan. I've identified that to move into the senior analyst role, I need to strengthen my skills in advanced data, visualization, and stakeholder management. I've found these 3 courses and I'd like to work on a project where I can develop these skills. Can we discuss how I can integrate this into my development plan? AI can also help you understand the nuances of different roles. AI can analyze job descriptions at scale and identify the underlying competencies and responsibilities that are most critical for success in a particular position. This helps you focus your development efforts on what truly matters for that next step. AI can connect these dots, showing you that you're perhaps closer to your goal than you thought. The key here is that AI empowers you to take ownership of your career development in a much more strategic and informed way. You're no longer passively waiting for opportunities or guidance. You're actively seeking out the information, identifying the gaps, and creating a plan to bridge them. This initiative is exactly what managers look for when considering someone for a leadership position. So explore these AI-powered career mapping tools. Dedicate some time to input your profile, explore the recommendations, and dig into the skill gap analysis. Use this information to have more productive conversations with your mentor or manager about your career growth. This is how you work smarter, not just harder, to get that promotion. We've covered acing your reviews and mapping your skills, but there's a third, absolutely critical piece to the promotion puzzle: communication. Promotions, especially to leadership roles, aren't just about what you know or what you've done. They're heavily influenced by how you communicate, how you influence others, and whether you project executive presence. AI can be a total game changer here too. Leaders need to be persuasive, clear, and inspiring. If your emails are muddled, your presentations are unengaging, or you struggle in difficult conversations, it's going to be tough to convince anyone you're ready for more responsibility. AI tools like ChatGPT and Grammarly Business can act as your personal communication coach. As you move up, the stakes get higher. You're not just sending updates, you're leading projects, influencing stakeholders, and motivating your team via email. AI can help you draft emails that are not only grammatically perfect but also strategically sound. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to help you structure an email to delegate tasks clearly, ensuring accountability and setting clear expectations. Grammarly Business, with its advanced tone detection and style suggestions, can ensure your emails consistently reflect a leadership persona. Delivering a compelling presentation is a hallmark of a leader. AI can assist in multiple ways here. You can use tools like ChatGPT to brainstorm a strong narrative arc for your presentation, generate compelling talking points, or simplify complex information for an executive audience. AI can help you craft a story that influences decisions and inspires action. Handling difficult conversations with grace and effectiveness is a key leadership skill. AI, specifically a tool like ChatGPT, can be a rehearsal partner. You can set up a role-play scenario and practice your approach. By using AI to hone these communication skills, you're not just improving your outputs, you're internalizing what effective leadership communication looks and sounds like. The perception of leadership is often built on these small, consistent demonstrations of strong communication. When your emails are consistently clear and influential, your presentations command attention, and you handle tough situations with poise, people notice. Your manager notices, their manager notices, and it all contributes to the growing consensus that you are indeed ready for that next level. Let's recap the 3 ways AI career tools can accelerate your promotion. First, craft stronger self-reviews that truly showcase your impact and value. Second, let AI map your skills to your next role, identifying gaps and creating a clear development path. And third, use AI to communicate like a leader, honing your emails, presentations, and difficult conversations. This isn't about shortcuts, it's about strategic leverage. AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to elevate you. Think of it as the ultimate assistant, a tireless coach, and a strategic partner all rolled into one. If you learned something new today, give this video a like, subscribe to the Signofied LLC YouTube channel, and take action today if you're ready for that next promotion. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for weekly tips on career growth and future-ready tools.